Picture windows are known for their wide, unobstructed views and ability to flood a home with natural light. For homeowners in Rowlett, where summers can feel intense and winters bring cooler temperatures, performance matters just as much as appearance. The good news is that modern picture windows are designed to handle seasonal changes while maintaining comfort, efficiency, and visual appeal year-round. Keeping homes comfortable during hot summers during the warmer months, controlling indoor heat is a top priority for Rowlett homeowners. Picture windows use advanced glass technology that helps reduce heat transfer from outside to inside. This means sunlight can brighten your home without overwhelming it with unwanted heat. Large glass surfaces might seem like a concern during summer, but modern picture windows are engineered to reflect a portion of solar heat while still allowing natural light in. This balance helps rooms stay cooler and more comfortable, even during peak summer temperatures. Supporting energy efficiency in warm weather. Because picture windows don't open, they create a tight, sealed barrier against outdoor air. This fixed design eliminates gaps that can allow warm air to enter the home. For Rowlett homes, this translates into more consistent indoor temperatures and reduced strain on cooling systems. By helping maintain a stable indoor environment, picture windows support energy-efficient living and contribute to smoother temperature control throughout the house. Performing reliably in cooler winters. When cooler weather arrives, picture windows continue to perform by limiting heat loss. Their insulated glass construction helps keep warm indoor air inside, reducing cold spots near windows. This makes living areas feel more comfortable without overworking heating systems. Rowlett homeowners often notice that rooms with picture windows maintain a steady temperature, even when outdoor conditions change. The consistent seal of a picture window plays a major role in this dependable performance. Reducing drafts and temperature fluctuations. Drafts are a common issue with older or poorly sealed windows. Picture windows are designed to eliminate this problem entirely. Since they don't open, there are fewer components that can wear down or allow air leaks over time. In Rowlett homes, this draft-free performance is especially valuable during seasonal transitions when temperatures fluctuate. Picture windows help maintain comfort regardless of what's happening outside. Enhancing natural light without sacrificing comfort. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is the natural light they provide. Even during cooler months, sunlight can help warm interior spaces naturally and improve overall ambiance. For Rowlett homeowners, this means enjoying bright, open rooms throughout the year without compromising comfort. Natural light also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, adding to the overall efficiency of the home. Quiet performance through the seasons. In addition to temperature control, picture windows contribute to a quieter indoor environment. Their solid construction and insulated glass help reduce outside noise, creating a calm and peaceful interior. Whether windows are closed to block summer heat or winter chill, Rowlett homeowners benefit from consistent sound reduction that enhances daily comfort. Minimal seasonal maintenance concerns. Seasonal changes often bring concerns about window operation and upkeep. Picture windows eliminate many of these worries since they have no moving parts. There's no need to adjust hardware or worry about expansion affecting functionality. This makes picture windows a low-maintenance option for Rowlett homes, offering reliable performance through both hot summers and cool winters. A year-round solution for comfort and style. Picture windows perform exceptionally well across seasons, combining visual impact with dependable comfort. They help manage heat during summer, retain warmth during winter, and maintain consistent indoor conditions all year long. For Rowlett homeowners seeking a window solution that delivers beauty, efficiency, and seasonal reliability, picture windows are a smart and lasting investment.